conjugate. Drop the R and use or on. When a singular noun follows, use an When the noun plural, use the ending on. I just wanna teach you subject pronouns. Gotta help you understand. When it's you, me, me, you, they, don't forget the rules of art. Then you guys are less Gustar. L-A instead are less Gustar. Even Gustar. Not because there isn't any because the noun is a plural. Subject pronouns. Gotta help you understand. Is me, me. When it's you is te. When it's me is also pros for Encantar. But don't forget the rules of art. Say you guys are this Encantar. L-A-N instead are the Encantar.
When it's me it's me, me. When it's you it's te. When it's me it's nosotros. You guys are less Gustar. L-A and instead are they Gustar.
Gotta conjugate, gotta conjugate. Gotta conjugate. A mí me gusta la leche. There is an because the noun is singular. These rules may seem very complicated, but we know these rules and we're gonna say it. I just wanna teach you subject pronoun. Gotta help you understand.
Don't forget the rules of art. You guys are less Encantar. L-A-I and instead are less Encantar.
What is it?
Nosotros nos encanta. Don't forget the rules of art.
You guys are less Encantar.